Storm warning information.
Winter storm warning.
Night. Total. Not as cool with lows around 19.
Winds may gust as high as 45 miles per hour during the morning. Where? Stratford and eastern Hillsborough counties. When? From 1 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Roads will become snow-covered and slippery. Intense snowfall rates will make for worse driving conditions than usual, and a switch to rain will make remaining snow-covered roads even more slippery. Additional details. Heavy snowfall rates are anticipated, with rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour expected at times. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For a more precise forecast for your specific location, go to www.weather.governor/gray. Central Somerset, Northern Franklin.